Hello students, so today we are going to start a new topic from your grammar portion. Basically it is from your vocabulary portion. The name of the topic is useful words. Okay, from English grammar, and I am going to explain this topic to you. The name of the topic is useful words. So basically what are we going to go through in this particular topic? We are going to see what are synonyms, what are antonyms, what are homophones, homonyms, proverbs and idioms. All these things are going to be completed in this particular class or in this particular topic. So the first thing we are going through is synonyms. Synonym, antonyms. The first thing is synonym. Synonym का मतलब होता है a word that is of same meaning of that of our root word, है ना. तो जैसे अगर हम बोले afraid, तो afraid की जगह मैं बोल सकता हूँ scared, तो दोनों का मतलब होता है डरना, है ना. जैसे मैं बोलूँ begin, तो begin की जगह बोल सकता हूँ start, या commence, दोनों का मतलब होता है कोई चीज start हो जाना. So begin is a synonym of start और start is a synonym of begin. तो दोनों एक दूसरे के क्या हैं, पर्याय हैं, यानी कि वो एक दूसरे के सेम मीनिंग को बताते हैं. क्लियर. So such kind of words are called synonyms. जैसे कि daring को bold बोला जाता है, dare को costly मतलब जो है costly expensive भी बोला जाता है, defect को fault या flaw भी बोला जाता है ना. adorn को adequate को जो है sufficient बोला जाता है. So these are all synonyms. Okay, you have a few words in your book. What you have to do is to read them and then you will understand what are synonyms. It is something that you have to learn. Then the antonyms. What are antonyms? Antonyms are the words of opposite meaning. Like there is a word and the next word which is antonym to the that particular root word is of completely different meaning. For example, if I would say above, so the antonym is below. If I would say active, so the antonym is passive. If I would say always, so the antonym is never. If I would say bold, so the antonym is timid. If I would say bright, the antonym is dull. Okay, so a word of opposite meaning is called the antonym. So we have completed the synonym and antonyms. Now we are moving on toward the homophones. First thing we have gone through is synonyms, then we have seen antonyms. Okay, now we are going to see homophones. The third type of words are homophones. Okay, so homophones are words which are we can say which are of same pronunciation but different spelling and meaning. Homo means single, phone means listen. So the words that to which we can listen as same but are of different meaning, such words are called homophones. Okay, for example, break and break. Break and break. ये ब्रेक इसका मतलब होता है तोड़ना, स्पेलिंग देखो अलग है. इसका मतलब होता है रोकना, ब्रेक लगाना. ओके, सो दोनों की स्पेलिंग अलग है, मीनिंग भी अलग है, बट द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज सेम. सो द वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड ब्रेक. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल you can say blue. So it is a form of verb, so that's blow, blue. Okay, and it is a color. So in both the words the spelling is different and even the meaning is different. So that is why the words where the spelling and meaning is different but the pronunciation is same, such words are called homophones. Phone related with listening and homo means similar. So the words that sound similar when we are listening them are called homophones, but they have different meaning. Okay, now the next type of words are homonyms. Okay, it is somewhere similar as homophones, but it is like homonyms are words that have some spelling same spelling and often sound the same but have different meaning. तो ऐसे words इनको बोला जाता है homonyms. Okay, for example, bat and bat. है ना, बैट वर्ड है सपोज, तो इसका एक मीनिंग होता है द एनिमल, है ना, बैट the animal, and the second is a cricket bat, so it is an object. So एक ही वर्ड के दो डिफरेंट मीनिंग है, द वर्ड इज सेम, द स्पेलिंग इज सेम, ओके। लाइक क्रिकेट के भी दो मीनिंग होते हैं, क्रिकेट एक गेम का भी नाम है और क्रिकेट जो है एक इंसेक्ट का भी नाम है, क्लियर। सो दीज आर वर्ड्स विद सेम स्पेलिंग बट they have different meaning. A single word having different meaning is called homonyms. Now the next is idioms. Idioms का मतलब होता है मुहावरे, यानी कि जिनसे कुछ डिफरेंट मीनिंग निकलता है, okay. So we have idioms like all roads lead to Rome. It means, इसका मीनिंग क्या है, there is more than one effective way to do something, है ना। Like all the ways are going to the same result, all the ways are going towards the same result, okay. So this is the meaning. Like bed of roses, a comfortable or luxurious position. Bed of roses का मतलब क्या है, a comfortable position. So idioms are a different kind of meaning used with different kind of words, ठीक है। After that we have proverbs. Proverbs are also such kind of things जिसको हम बोलते हैं sayings भी बोलते हैं, जो हम किसी particular position पे हम बोलते हैं। Proverb is a simple and concrete saying which expresses the truth based or common sense, है ना। तो कुछ truth को बताने वाले words होते हैं, उनको हम proverbs बोलते हैं। Like for example, if I would say action speaks louder than words, है ना, that your action is more impressive or it can create a better result than the words. So such kind of things. Or you can say barking dogs seldom bite. People who used to talk much, they don't do much, okay. So barking dogs seldom bite. Such kind of things, such kind of words are used to express a different kind of meaning, okay. So these are all the useful words. Now what you have to do is to go through your book and try and read whatever there is in your book, and then try and solve the exercise and go through this video, and then you will be able to understand it. We have gone through synonyms, antonyms, homophones, homonyms, idioms and proverbs. Clear? Thank you.